Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2014 BMW 320i. For the longest time, I didn't know this car existed. I thought 330, maybe 328 was the top of the line, or the bottom of the line. Nope, there is a 320. This one has the M Sport steering wheel, obviously turbo 4 engine. Still has sunroof, has pleather. Oh wow, that's actually soft touch. Is this? Yeah, this is all, it's rubberized plastic, but it's soft touch. So honestly, it's not terrible in here. No backup camera. Into drive, you have manual, no paddle shifters, but you do have up down as such. We're going to be in drive for the first half, then we'll bump it over into, actually, yeah, let's do it that way. Pump it into sport for the acceleration. It's not going to pull like an M3 does, that's for sure. But it does have enough torque to get itself out of its own way. That sun is brutal tonight. Moved its drive, you moron. Hard under braking. Oh yes. Okay, this I can handle. I like this. I mean, this is a 91,000 mile example. No, it's not for sale. We're just gonna send it to auction. Aging German cars are way too much of a liability. I mean, we've had a 320 before, and I drove that a little bit, not a lot, and I liked the thing. It's for somebody who wants a BMW, doesn't need all the bells and whistles, not the best performance. I just demonstrated there. This thing has good driver's car characteristics. Turn in is good, brake feel is good. yeah, I'm itching for a bit more power, but it has enough to make driving a little bit of fun. And you're still getting the 3 Series platform at a cheaper rate. No, it's not going to have all the high-tech M3 parts that your 340i, M340i would have, but it's still a good enough amount of fun. This car's actually, I'm impressed with it. Oh, I fell susceptible to that. One, two, three, green light, please. Are you just stuck? Oh no, there you go. What a fun car. I mean, I did the appraisal on this. I drove it a little bit. I was like, oh yeah, this thing's pretty fun. No, now that I've driven it pretty dynamically, this is a really fun car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.